Friends, let's be honest, working with PDF files can be way more frustrating than it should be. Bulky programs, clunky interfaces, and tools you barely use. We've all been there. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we are taking a closer look at ZenDocs, a modern web platform that lets you manage PDFs directly in your browser. It's intuitive and packed with tools that make editing, converting, and even batch processing PDFs a breeze. We'll go step by step, exploring the main features and showing how easy it is to organize your documents. Then we'll look at how to work with forms and images. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Folks, ZenDocs is a modern web platform that basically replaces those bulky PDF programs we've all had to deal with. As soon as you land on the homepage, it's immediately clear how everything works. You can convert and edit documents directly online, so there's no need to download or install any software at all. Everything happens right in your browser, and the connection is fully secure, which is always a big plus. You can even password protect sensitive files for extra security. Guys, right in the center of the page, ZenDocs highlights its main features and gives you access to a full PDF toolkit. You can quickly scan through all the tools available and get a good idea of what the platform can do before you even start. Mates, let's actually use it. You just upload a PDF file and start working with it straight away. You can break pages into layouts and get full access to all the text inside, which makes editing really simple and intuitive. At this point, it honestly feels a lot like working with a Word document, except everything is happening directly in your browser. You can choose from the most popular formats and keep working without any interruptions or extra steps. Friends, when it comes to managing your files, everything lives in the My Files section. Here you can see everything you have worked on in one place. From the same area, you can also convert PDFs to other formats or split and compress them. Then, you may download your files in high-resolution formats like PNG, JPG, SVG, or EPS whenever you need. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Overall, ZenDocs gives you a complete set of PDF tools online, so you can handle your documents quickly and securely. So you don't need to install anything or overcomplicate the process. For example, it's possible to convert HEIC photos to JPEG. That's the format iPhones use. You just upload the photo, convert it in a couple of clicks, and you've got a JPG ready to go. And of course, all the files you work with stay neatly organized in the My Files section. Guys, you can also use some of the platform's most popular tools. One of them is merging. All you do is upload two items, merge them, choose PDF as the format, and you'll see both combined into one complete version. It is also possible to merge or convert multiple items at once. This saves a ton of time when working with a large batch. The function works perfectly, and the result is clean and seamless. Another feature I really like is Sign PDF. It lets you sign a document securely in just a few seconds. You upload it, place your signature, and that's it. ZenDocs also includes a range of ready-to-use forms, like W4. These are full documents with built-in fields for filling in information and adding signatures. You can use other types as well, or even create your own, with signing included, of course. Friends, the list of available forms is quite extensive and fully functional. Just pick what you need and start using it right away. With full access to all these PDF tools, you can handle pretty much anything online quickly and securely. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. Today, we explored ZenDocs and saw just how much it can do. From editing and converting files, to merging PDFs, signing documents, and even working with ready-to-use forms, it handles it all. The best part is that everything happens right in your browser. There's no need to download or install anything. The interface is straightforward, and the whole process feels simple and secure. If you want an easier way to work with PDF files for work or everyday tasks, ZenDocs is worth checking out. And guys, just so you know, there's a 7-day trial for just 99 cents, so you can see for yourself how powerful it is. If you're excited to try it out, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.